Hello and welcome to Mathematics with Simon. I'm Simon. Today we're back to A-level mathematics. So what we're going to do is look at simultaneous equations too. So what if one of the equations is quadratic? So here 3x plus 4y equals 29, y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. So we've got two equations, one's quadratic. Last time we had two linear equations, so we could either subtract them or we could do it by substitution. Here we can only use substitution. Subtraction doesn't work when you've got a quadratic equation in there. So we need to get y on its own. 3x plus 4y equals 29. 4y equals 29 minus 3x. Y equals 29 minus 3x over 4. Then what we do is we put this back into the quadratic equation. So this title's wrong, come on. We substitute this into the quadratic. Wow, typing in real time. It's kind of exciting, isn't it? So the quadratic was y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. We pop that in. 29 minus 3x over 4 equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. We then multiply both sides by 4. We then rationalise to get 4x squared minus 5x. Basically, we add 3x to both sides. We take 29 from both sides, we flip it around. 4x squared minus 5x minus 21. To factorise that, it's quite tricky to factorise, but you get x minus 3 times 4x plus 7. Let's just multiply it up. So you get minus 3 times plus 7 is minus 21 on the constant. 4x times x is 4x squared, and then just to check the x term, you got minus 3 times 4x gives you minus 12x, and then you've got plus 7 times x gives you plus 7x, so you've got minus 5x. So x minus 3 times 4x plus 7 equals 0. This tells us that either x equals 3 or x equals minus 7 over 4 just by standard quadratic solutions. We know, now we can work out y, now we've got x. So we know that 3x plus 4y equals 29, which means y equals 29 minus 3x over 4. So we substitute in 3, which is pretty easy. It's just 29 minus 9 is 20 over 4, which is 5. That's easy. Substituting in minus 7 over 4 is a little more tricky. We put in minus 7 over 4, we basically get 29 plus 21 over 4. We then have to do 4 times 29, which is 116. 116 plus 21 is 137. And then it's 137 over 4, which is 137 over 16. And there's no need to do this, is just arithmetic. I mean, this is just, 137 over 16. 8 16s are 128. So this is 8 and 9 sixteenths. So when x is minus 7 over 4, y is 8 and 9 sixteenths. So we've got one kind of integer solution, which is what I built the problem around, and then we've got one fractional solution which also exists, and here's a beautiful picture that shows us why. So the straight line is 3x plus 4y equals 29. That's all those points are on that line, and the curve is y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2, and they intersect here at 3, and when they intersect at the x value of 3, you can see the y value is 5. And then they intersect here at minus 1.75, which is minus 7 over 4, minus 1 3/4. And we can see that the y value is 8.5625, which is 8 and 9 sixteenths. Which is what we got there. It's 2:43 in the morning, but I'm doing one of these every day and I'm not going to bed till I've done it. I hope you like this video. You're very welcome to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'd love to hear your ideas, and I hope most of all you enjoy your mathematics. I'm enjoying doing these.